I don't know how this is gonna go. The trail up is super steep and hard, and then the trail down, there's loose gravel, which makes it hard. There's a high today of 75. There's smoke in the air. There's a high tomorrow of 45. So really, just be prepared for all Idaho weather. This is kind of it. I mean, this is usually when it happens, at the end of October, the beginning of November. If you're looking at backpacking in Idaho for 3 seasons, you've got till now. All right, shall we? You know it's gonna be an easy climb when you just see a pile of walking sticks at the start of the trail. This is pretty rough. You been losing weight this trip, Breck? You gonna squeeze through there?
No way, dude. I've been eating like a king. This is not gonna be pretty. The tight fit.
You got it.
All right, hit me my cam. I'll shoot you coming through.
You gotta be kidding me. I guess we'll climb more. think if there's good fishing, we'd see fishermen like we saw at Boulder. I don't know, because I haven't seen a fish since we've been here.
This is hard to beat.
This beach is supposedly super popular during the summer, but we have it all to ourselves because we were willing to bring an extra layer. I'm staying, dude. Enjoying my coffee. But eventually I'll get up and I'll get Brett up and we're gonna go explore the far side of the lake. We're gonna explore Sister Lakes. We're gonna get those product photos done. We're gonna have a last meal for the backpacking season. And then we're gonna survive the night, hopefully. And pack our stuff up and get the hell out of here. Oh my god, I threw you that.
15-2, 15-4, pair for 6, and a double run for 12. 19. It's a pretty good dinner. So far, the clouds have been non-existent. The sky's been clear. We're just kind of wondering when the storm's gonna roll in.
it's been a bit of a long trip, and we're kind of ready to get out of here. Having to put away camp and pack and get everything ready in the rain would just be a nightmare. I hope the storm holds off until the afternoon. I'm gonna set my alarm early, probably about 6 a.m., get out of here, wrap this video series up.
Flew out of there like a mountain goat this morning to beat the rain. Well, I was a mountain goat. I don't know what Brett was. An armadillo, black bear, some other creature. But the cold's setting in, the clouds are coming over, the rain's rolling in, and that wraps up our hiking adventures here in McCall this year. If you want to see more McCall and what goes on here in the winter, check out our Magical McCall series. Chad and I did it last year. It's a bunch of things to do in and around McCall. When the snow falls, McCall's just a little outdoor mecca. For more info and all the gear I used, check out the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.